Hello everyone, my name is Mouse Tutorial and today I'm going to show you how to add recipes for your blocks and items. Now I want to go over 4 recipes. One is the shaped recipe, one is a shapeless recipe, smelting recipe, and an enchantment recipe so that you can have enchantments. Now to do this I prefer to go into my mod blocks class and add the recipes here so that my main class is a little bit cleaner. Now before I start I want to mention that this should have a name. I forgot to say that last time, so that's where that warning came from. Nothing too fancy, but oh well. Now in order to load it we want to do recipes in it and open that. So that is going to be our method that we are going to create right here. Public void public static void recipe init. Okay, so now if this is loaded, then it will automatically load this, which is awesome. Now we are gonna start with the recipes. So what we want to type is game registry dot add recipe, and this is the wrong one. Add recipe, item stack output, and object name. So for the output we need to make a new item stack. So use that new item stack, and within these brackets we need the output. So in this case I will use my block as output. So mod blocks dot new block. That's gonna be my item stack, and if you in any case want more than one, you want to type 3 right here, and if you have a metadata then you want to type it like this. So this one is the amount that it's going to be outputting, and this one is the metadata value. Now for parameters we need a new object array. So make that object array and open up the parameter the curly brackets. Now what you want to do is make 3 quotation marks, 3 pairs of quotation marks. Now the first 2 are the top row. So if you want the top row to be dirt, you should do that like this. This will mean in the top row 3 times dirt, just like that. Now in the second row I'm going to use stone, and in the third row I'm going to use dirt. Now you're asking, how does it know that D is dirt and S is stone? Well, you want to add these quotation marks. They are a little bit different, but I'm pretty sure you can find them. And when you type the D, so in this case well, it was a D, but if you have a different letter or symbol you can use that. And then you want to declare what it is. So in this case it is block.dirt. Then we want to add a comma and do that same for the stone. So block.stone. Just like that. Okay, so this is how we make a crafting recipe. Now we're going to do the shapeless recipe. The shapeless recipe basically means that it doesn't matter where it has to be placed as long as it is in the grid. So game registry dot add shapeless recipe, shapeless. Add shapeless, don't use shaped, that won't work. So a new item stack is going to be outputs, and again I'm going to use mod blocks dot new block, 2 this time, why not. And we need a new object array. And now for the output we want to use item stack. So new item stack block.dirt, and we need another block.dirt, so let's copy this, and a third block of dirt, and a new item stack block.stone, just like that. Now why can I not use the method that I used right here, like 3 0? Because that will mean that you need one how do we call that? Let's pretend this is the crafting grid. That will mean that this place should have 3 dirt blocks. So a pile of 3 dirt blocks. And that's not what we want. We want 3 dirt blocks somewhere in that crafting grid. And this is how you do that for a shapeless recipe. Okay, so the third one is a smelting recipe. So dot add smelting. Now the int input is obviously going to be a integer, and in this case it's going to be a block ID. So block, well, do we want to use block? No, we want to use dirt. Why not? Block dot dirt. So that's going to be the input. The output is going to be a new item stack, and that's going to be mod blocks dot new block, and we're going to return 5, damage of 0. And the XP is going to be a float, which means it's going to be a number with an F. In this case it's going to be 1. Now you got to play around a bit with this value. That's going to return how much experience you will get. So play around with it. And oh yeah, of course, as we said, we need a block ID. We need an integer, so select block ID. That should fix it. Now the last one is a little bit special. It's going to be an enchanting. So enchant item stack. Enchant is new item stack, new block, mod blocks, new block. So this enchant is going to hold a new item stack, new block. Now what do I want to do with that enchant? I want to add an enchantment. Now there is a list of all kind of enchantments. If you type enchantments dot and choose the enchantment that you want. So let's choose fortune, and this is going to be the level of fortune, so 2. Why not? So now we can make a enchanted block. So now we just want to make a recipe of it. Registry.add recipe, new item stack. No, wait, because this is already a item stack, as you can see right here. We don't have to type new item stack. It is a item stack already. So just type enchant, and we want to add the new objects array. Oh, what should we choose? I don't know. Something easy. Dirt, stone, dirt. Dirt, stone, dirt. Dirt, stone, dirt. So that will mean the left row will be dirt, stone, dirt. And again, use this block dot dirt, block dot stone, and add a semicolon there. Now let's start up Minecraft and see if this all worked. I'm pretty sure it did. There we go, open up our world. Yes, I know there is a mismatch, but don't worry about that. Ooh, spoiler. Okay, so let's go from the top. First one was a recipe, dirt, 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 stone, 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 dirt, 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 stone, 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 dirt, oh, that's not dirt, 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 dirt. There we go, 3 mod blocks, as we expected. That's great. Now the second one was a shapeless recipe of 3 dirt and 1 stone. So dirt, 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 stone. There we go, 2 new blocks. Third one was a smelting recipe of dirt, which should give us new block with a little bit of experience. So I might want to switch to survival. Oh, what name did I put here? Okay, there we go. So currently I have 2 bars of experience. When I take this out, I have a little bit more. So that experience works, the mod block works, that's great. Now the last one, of course, is the most special one, because that's going to give us an enchantment. So what we want to do is stone, 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 dirt, 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 dirt. There we go. A block with fortune 2. Now of course you don't want to use this on blocks, but you want to use this on tools. But at least you know how to do this now. So this was Mouse tutorial. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, leave a like below. If you want to see more of my tutorials, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading fairly a good amount of tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment on what tutorials you want. I will be doing requests. So this was it. I hope I'll see you next time.